What if I told you your videos aren't flopping because they're bad, they're flopping because your titles suck? Don't click away, because in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the one tool that's helped creators explode their views, even if they've got 0 subs, no face, and a channel that's been flatter than a pancake on a Texas highway. Titles are the gatekeepers. They're the first and sometimes only thing people see. And if your title doesn't make someone stop scrolling, it's game over. In this video, I'll show you how to craft titles that demand clicks, how vidIQ makes it stupid simple, and the psychology behind why some videos explode while others never stand a chance. You can have the best edit, the perfect voiceover, an amazing idea, but if the title sucks, the algorithm never even gives you a shot. Most new creators don't have a content problem, they have a click problem. Think about it. You're not just competing with other videos, you're competing with everything on a viewer screen. Titles are your first and maybe only impression. Why do we click? It comes down to 3 things. Curiosity, like, wait, what happens next? Tension or FOMO, like, what if I'm missing something? And novelty, like, I've never seen it done like that before. These psychological triggers are baked into every viral title. Mr. Beast doesn't just say giving away money. He says, I gave $500,000 to 10 random people. It's specific, it's unusual, it creates a question. If your title doesn't create a question in the viewer's mind, they're scrolling past it, period. Here's where vidIQ makes this process 10 times easier. You don't have to guess which title is best, you can actually measure it. vidIQ gives you a title score, how clickable your idea is compared to millions of others, keyword strength, how many people are searching for that specific topic, competitor titles, what's already working for the big dogs, and description tools. SEO optimized metadata fast. Even better, you can draft multiple titles and A/B test them. So instead of hoping the algorithm notices you, you put a lasso around that bad boy and make it listen. This is the tool I'm using right now, and the link's below if you want to try it free. I like to be transparent, so I'm going to tell you, I use the pro version, and I suggest you do too if you are serious about your YouTube goals. Let me introduce you to a creator's channel named Creator Launch. He runs a channel all about helping YouTubers grow. One day, he uploads a video called YouTube SEO Reveals How to Grow on YouTube. No fancy editing, no talking head, just a sharp title and the right curiosity hook. That video, over 244,000 views, brought in 1,000+ subscribers. A breakout moment for a small channel. But what was the turning point? I believe it was vidIQ. His videos before discovering vidIQ, flat, quiet, barely a ripple compared to the amount of viewers he had. Here's where tools like vidIQ change the game. Instead of guessing why that title worked, you measure it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here is a live look at the Creator Launch channel with my vidIQ browser extension turned on. And here is the video I'm referring to. 15,000 subscribers to the channel, and the video gets over 240,000 views. That's what we refer to as an outlier. The video outpaced his channel potential big time. But why? Watch what happens when I put his video title in vidIQ. Bang! This title scored 97 out of a possible 100 according to vidIQ. Now let's take a look at one of his videos from a few months ago. How about this one? This is boring, but it'll make your thumbnails blow up. It sounds decent at first glance, but let's see what vidIQ has to say about it. Oh boy. 45. That's not good. And quite possibly the very reason this video only got 379 views. This tool is powerful, and this is only one example of how it could completely change your luck, change your business, or maybe even change your life. vidIQ shows you what keywords got clicks, what titles your competitors used, and how to turn one fluke into repeatable results. In other words, you don't need to guess what works, you need to clone it with precision. If you've had one video blow up and nothing else has come close, this is the sign you've been waiting for. Use the link below and let vidIQ help you make your next 200,000 view title on purpose. That's exactly what I'm doing right now on this channel, testing titles, tracking clicks, and letting the data guide every move. Now let's talk about how to write titles that make people stop scrolling and start watching. Because once you've got the data, you still need a framework. For example, framework number 1, the hidden truth. What nobody tells you about underwater basket weaving. Or, you've been doing Uber Eats wrong this whole time. These titles work because they flip the spotlight. They challenge the viewer's assumptions. Framework number 2, the juicy list. 5 tools that blew up my faceless channel. Top 3 mistakes new YouTubers keep making. We love lists because they promise quick, valuable info, and once you see number 1, your brain wants to finish the ride. Framework number 3, the open loop. I lied and this is what happened. Or, this one trick got me 100K views, but there's a catch. This taps straight into a human psychology. You see the setup, but your brain has to close the loop. The best titles combine these aspects: a mystery, plus a number, plus a twist. Here's how I'd build that type of title. 3 YouTube tools I wish I used sooner. One of them's a cheat code. And once you've drafted a few, run them through vidIQ and see how they score. Remember, you're looking for 97 or better. Heck, you can even let vidIQ A/B test them and let your audience tell you which one wins. All right, partner, time to round things up. But first, I want you to understand that we only scratched the surface of this tool's capabilities here today. Grab the free version or do your own research to see what else it can do. Keyword research? Done. Script writing? Done. Video descriptions? Done. This software literally lets you look inside your competition's business by telling you what keywords they use, how they rank, and numerous other insights. Okay, now for the summary. Most creators fail not because their content is bad, but because their titles never gave them a shot. If you're serious about growth, if you're done shouting into the void, then it's time to start winning the click war. vidIQ changed the way I title my videos, and it's already making a difference. You clicked on it, didn't you? So hit that link below, try it free, and give your next upload the title it deserves. This ain't just about titles, it's about getting your message seen. You keep making great videos, let vidIQ make sure people actually click them. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my content. If you haven't already done so, subscribe and join me on the journey to YouTube growth.